Hello and welcome to this short presentation where we're going to be showing you how to make a name card or a name tag in TinkerCAD. So this is kind of like one of the most basic lessons you can do, so it's a great place to start. So you log into TinkerCAD and you click create, and then I'm going to get a square. I'm going to put my square in the middle. I'm going to drag it out and I'm going to reduce the height of it. So I have a large block there, and like I said, it's a bit too high, so I'm going to reduce the height of it now. At the moment it's 20 centimeters. I'm going to reduce it down to 10 centimeters. Okay, good. And I'm going to make it a little bit wider as well. So at the moment it's 20 centimeters, and again you can write in here if you want to. I'm going to make it 30. Okay, great. Okay, so now I'm going to write my name on top of it. So I'm going to do some writing on top of it. I'm going to need to use the workplane. So you click the workplane and then you click the workplane on top of that. And that's exactly where your writing is going to go. Now there are two ways of doing writing. I'm going to use the letters, shapes first. And after that, I'm going to show you how to write freehand as well. Let's go to the text. There we are. So you click text and you put it on top. Boom. Okay, and I'm going to write my name, which is teacher. Teacher. Okay, and you can change the color of that because obviously red and red doesn't work so well. Okay, and then you drag it in a little bit. Drag it over a little bit. Make sure it fits on there nicely. Okay, let's have a little look at that. Okay, we're happy with it. And obviously you'll look at that and you'll see it's a little bit high there. So I'm going to reduce the height on that as well. So at the moment it is 10 centimeters. I think I'm going to drop it down to about 4 centimeters. And there you go. That's how to make a nice, simple name tag for yourselves. Now, I'm going to go back to the workplane. I'm going to show you another way that you can do this, okay? Doing it freehand. So I'm going to make a copy of this, this shape which I wrote teacher on. I'm going to move it down. So you see there I clicked the copy icon, and now I'm using the arrow keys to move it down. Okay, and I have another one here. I'm going to use the workplane again. I'm going to put the workplane there, but this time I'm going to use scribble. So I click scribble on here, and it opens up this image, and this is where you're going to write. So I'm going to use freehand to write teacher. I think I'm just going to write teach because I'm running out of space. Oh, hold on. Oh yeah, you can extend that. Okay, and obviously my writing's kind of ugly there. I'm sure you guys can do much better writing than me. But there you go. I have my teacher. All right. Oh yeah, that's not too bad actually. That's not too bad. Okay, and I can extend it and get it set up the size I like it. Have a little look again. Again, it's a little bit too tall. So how tall is that? I'm going to reduce that down to just 2, I think. Or maybe 3. Okay, great. Move it around. Fantastic. Like I said, I'm sure your writing will be much nicer than mine. But there you go. That's how to do it. That's 2 ways that you can create a name tag. And this is really kind of the most basic first lesson for TinkerCAD. So please go ahead and do that. I hope you enjoy it. I hope you found it useful. There'll be much more TinkerCAD lessons coming your way. Thanks for watching.